Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK. Thought I would come on here and show you what I have done. This is my second time doing a crochet, and the first time it was with a twist. The second time is with a deep twist. It's not a braid, deep twist this time. And I think I got the hang of this crochet. I think I got the hang of it. Anyway, let me talk about this hair that I have in my hair, and I cut it. I cut it. Let me tell you what happened. Anyway, let me show you this first. This is the one I have on. It is the Lulutress in the color 1B that I have on. And that's how it's supposed to look. It was very, very long. I'm only 5'4" in height. So the hair was way down here. And I had made another video. I was going to go ahead and download it, and I said no. I'm not going to put that one on because I was really ranting in that one, and I don't want to make that kind of a video. When I first crocheted this hair yesterday, it was matting really bad. So much so, I thought I was going to have to cut it off. Okay. Today I said, you know what, let me try something, because I wouldn't wear the hair that long anyway. So I cut it to where I would actually wear it. Now my own hair can grow all the way to my behind if it wants to, but I usually don't wear synthetic hair or human hair as long as my hair was, because before my hair was 19 inches. Okay, so I cut it to here. I really like the waves. The waves in this hair is very, very beautiful, which is why I got it. So I like the color, I like the waves. It's a lot of hair. Had I known the hair was this thick, I would have tried to cover my whole entire head with 2 packs because I don't like it real, real full. And I'm not even finished. I'm not even finished with my hair. I still have this little part up here that I have to do, but I wanted to show you how it looks so far, to show you that I think I got the hang of it. Yeah. So this hair on me seems to do better shorter. It's not matting like it was when it was longer, because it was matting as I was doing it, and it was driving me up the wall. So, but no, it seems to look a lot better. I really like it. I'm going to turn around as well. Like I said, I'm not finished with this yet, but I have to, this is how the back looks. Okay. I still have a part right up in here I need to finish, and I'm going to finish that today. And I'm going to give it a try, because I was going to cut it out. I had decided I wasn't even going to wear it. I was going to cut it out, and it was just going to be money lost. I had bought seven packs of these. Not to put 7 packs in. I originally wanted to put 3 packs in because I had a feeling it was going to be full. But for another install, I would have extra hair. So, yeah, so I have this. And then I bought regular braid hair, because I can do a lot of these styles with regular braid hair. But I wanted to pamper myself and try this because it looked so, so nice on the site. So I'm going to give this a try. I will update you guys in about a week. So no ranting. No ranting in this video. I'm not going to do it. Okay. I'm going to give this a try. So far, so good. This is only day 2. And I'll come back in about a week and let you guys know what I think. And for as long as I have it in, I'll keep updating you. I do have more crochet hair coming in. It's called 8, 9, 10. It's supposed to be the hair that goes into a V. I probably won't wear it in a V because I'm probably going to put that 10 at the bottom. Excuse me. But I will, when I get that hair, and I've worn this long enough, I will put that in, and I will show you guys that and tell you what I think about that one. But anyway, this is how this is looking so far. I have one more pack. Let me see, how many do I have in here? I think I have 2.5 packs. I have 2.5 packs in my hair right now. When it was real long, it was, whew. But anyway, I might put a little bit of mousse on it. I saw somewhere that you shouldn't do stuff like that because this is fiber, that you would want to use something like Woolite to wash it and then like use fabric softener on it because it's fibers. But anyway, this is how it turned out. And I did the invisible knot in the front. I got the invisible knot going on in the front here because I want it to look natural. And the rest of it, when I finish the rest of it, all of that's going to be invisible knot right up in there. And this one part back here would just be regular. Okay, so far, that is my fully folded Lulutress Beauty is What You Created deep twist, 18 inches. I cut it all the way up here. This is not 18 inches. In the color 1B. Okay, so that's this. Alright. So you see how that looks and how the back looks. And this is the other types of hair from Lulutress. And oh, there's more down here. I almost didn't show you guys that one. Okay, so there's other types of hair. So we'll see. I'm going to go ahead, give this a try. I'm going to wear this bad boy. I'm going to update you guys. So stay tuned and I'll let you know about that. You have a blessed day, a positive day, and know this was not a rant video. Bye-bye.